Want to clear your Copilot chat history? Here's the fastest way in 2026. First, open the Copilot app or website and make sure you're signed in to your account. Once you're on the main screen, click on your profile picture in the bottom left corner. From the menu that appears, select Settings. Inside Settings, click on Privacy. Then, scroll down until you see the Export or Delete History option and click on it. This will open a new page where you'll find the Delete All Activity History option. Click on it to continue. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking if you're sure you want to remove your chat history. Simply click the blue Clear button to confirm. That's all there is to it. Your Copilot chat history has now been successfully deleted, and your previous conversations will no longer appear in your account. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and press the notification bell for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.